Hello, my name is GB Singh. I'm the Academic Director for Engineering Management and Leadership program here at University of San Diego. The idea of this program is that every skill that you are learning within the four walls of the school, you are able to right away take them and apply in your job right then and there. The program starts with some foundation courses. People who are coming with different backgrounds, they can be having technology background, engineering background, business background. We want to bring them at the same level initially as they are starting. So these foundation courses in technology and management and leadership are essentially brushing up their skills in finance, economics, marketing, data analysis. There are some table stakes which we also try to bring to this program. For example, sustainability, ethics, compliance. And then they get into deep expertise on different areas. For example, the startup related courses. We have courses on value chain of the organization. We also have courses which are related to, let's say if you have started a business, how can you make sure that business is future proofed? Finally, what is very unique about this program is the capstone experience that is offered to our students in the final semester. Students are assigned or they can choose for themselves a capstone project where all these learnings that they have gathered during their entire curriculum come into the foray and they are able to implement all those learnings into the capstone experience. We are refreshing this program every year to make sure that it remains current. I'm very excited about the outcome of this program.